So it's almost time to go to the next party, but I've taken the hardware, which a bunch of it had rust on it, and I put it in vinegar. But notice that, I was thinking maybe the plastic cover would come off of this and let me scrub it, but it doesn't seem to be coming off. And I don't know if you can see up behind there, there's, it seems like the evaporator coil is attached to that, and it's not gonna come off very easily. But I took the tray out and all that stuff removed very easily, but I think I'm gonna put a screw in here just so it's not dangling for a long time. But so grab one of my cleaner screws. I realized that pretty much all the screws that I have, I'm not even sure they're all original, but they look very much like electrical screws. You like the, kind of like an electrical outlet. I'm not sure of the exact thread pitch, but it sure looks like a electrical outlet screw. So that should be pretty easy to replace as needed. But I'll probably grab myself a cleaner one of these out of the vinegar and just put one in to hold it until I can get back to cleaning this out. And I like to leave that little stopper there that goes in the tray pan, that basically you remove that to clean it and let the water drain out. But I'm not sure mine's all draining out really well, so I like to take it out and leave it in the bottom, so that way I know that before I turn it back on, I'm gonna put that thing back in where it belongs.